If you are starting IVF, you are probably overwhelmed by confusing medical jargon, endless Google searches, and scary stories online. The good news is that IVF is actually a very systematic, step by step process, and once you understand it properly, your anxiety reduces dramatically. If you want honest, evidence based IVF guidance, use Dr. Malpani's free IVF AI chatbot. Scan the QR code and get your doubts cleared anytime. The first step in IVF is consultation and testing. Your doctor reviews your medical history, hormone tests, ultrasound scans, semen analysis, and your previous treatments. Good IVF treatment starts with making the right diagnosis instead of blindly repeating cycles. The second step is ovarian stimulation. Fertility injections are given to help your ovaries produce multiple eggs instead of just one egg naturally. During this phase, your doctor monitors follicle growth using ultrasounds and sometimes blood tests. Remember, more injections do not automatically mean better treatment. Smart IVF is personalized IVF. The third step is egg retrieval. This is a short procedure, usually done under sedation. The doctor removes the eggs from the ovaries using ultrasound guidance. Most patients are surprised at how quick and safe this procedure actually is. The fourth step is fertilization inside the IVF lab. The eggs are mixed with sperm or injected individually using ICSI if needed. This is where laboratory quality becomes critically important because even the best doctor cannot compensate for a poor embryology lab. The fifth step is embryo culture. The embryos are grown carefully in incubators for several days. Good clinics will share embryo photographs and grading details with you because transparent clinics create empowered patients. The sixth and final step is embryo transfer. A healthy embryo is placed inside the uterus using a simple, painless procedure. Then comes the hardest phase for most patients, the waiting period before the pregnancy test. Remember, IVF success is not about luck alone. It depends on egg quality, sperm quality, embryo quality, and most importantly, the quality and honesty of the IVF clinic you choose. Don't become a passive patient. Ask questions, demand transparency, understand your treatment plan. And if you feel confused or emotionally exhausted, get free guidance from Dr. Malpani's IVF AI chatbot. Sometimes the right information can save you from the wrong treatment.